This is the Dyson V6, the most powerful vacuum that is both lightweight and cordless. It is ideal for cleaning all floor types, underneath furniture, stairs, and up high. It is engineered to generate powerful cleaning performance throughout your home. The small, light motor has been developed specifically by Dyson to deliver powerful suction. And at less than 5 pounds and with no cord, the machine is light and portable. The V6 vacuum easily converts to a handheld and comes equipped with Dyson engineered tools for cleaning in all areas of your home and car. With a quick-release charging station and fade-free power, it's always up for quick cleans and extreme messes. It also can store attachments for easy access when you want them.
Conventional full-size vacuums can be difficult to store and heavy to move around. The Dyson small ball vacuum was engineered to be smaller than our other uprights. It rides on a ball to steer easily around obstacles. 2 tiers of Cyclones capture particles as small as pollen and mold spores, and whole machine filtration traps them in the machine. The cable, hose and re-engineered wand enable an overall reach of 12 meters. Dyson V6 vacuums are powered by the Dyson Digital Motor V6. The small, light motor sits at the heart of the machine. It has been developed specifically by Dyson to deliver powerful suction. The machine's core components are located around the hand. Combined with a lightweight aluminium wand, it's lightweight and balanced for floor-to-ceiling cleaning. Developed especially for hard floors, the soft roller cleaner head is engineered to remove both large debris and fine dust simultaneously. And a direct drive motor sits within the roller, allowing full width edge-to-edge cleaning. Dyson V6 Absolute also includes the direct drive cleaner head. It has 75% more brush bar power to drive bristles deep into carpet, removing more dirt. An efficient post-motor filter delivers whole machine HEPA filtration, capturing 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. Two-tier radial cyclones generate high centrifugal forces, flinging particles of dust and dirt out of the air and into the bin. Dyson V6 vacuums quickly and easily convert to a handheld, with Dyson engineered tools for all-round cleaning. The docking station stores and charges the machine, so it's always ready for use.
When the whirlwind hits your home, hit back with the most powerful suction around. A motorized brush bar digs up ground-in dirt. A cleaner head automatically adjusts with flexible cleaning across all floors. Goodbye, whirlwind. Dyson Ball Multi-Floor 2 Vacuum. Unrivaled Dyson suction. Turns on a dime.